Finally, I'm leaving work. I should eat something before going home. Wow! Each of the foods is so fresh. How do they get this much fresh food in Seoul?
Seafoods from across the sea are classified and frozen on board and transported to the warehouse of a land. Pyeongtaek in South Korea, Eugene, energy fully independent Cryogenic Logistics Center. Here is a special technology, different from previous, a total floor space of 160,000 meters squared and a total amount of storage of 115,000 tons. Eugene Cryogenic Logistics Center, which is the largest scale in Seoul metropolitan area, is planned to store products by 5 stages of temperature, from cryogenic, lower than -60 Celsius, to room temperature. Also, the core technology of Eugene Super Freeze is LNG-based thermal energy system. By using LNG-based thermal energy and ESS, the efficiency of electricity use is significantly elevated. Because a general refrigeration warehouse is using electricity, it is operated only at night times to use midnight electricity, which is relatively inexpensive price. At noon, the operation of refrigerator stops because of the expensive price of electricity. Products start to unfreeze. Since the general refrigeration warehouse system repeats freezing and unfreezing, it has lowered the freshness of food. It has lowered the freshness of frozen food and shortened the expiration date. Eugene Super Freeze thought that using LNG-based thermal energy system is a solution. Even though LNG is more eco-friendly than fossil fuel, it requires a process of increasing temperature from liquid state of -162 Celsius to room temperature. In the process, a large amount of chill has been abandoned in the ocean and caused a cold damage in the nearby sea. Eugene Super Freeze shows the technology that recycles abandoned cold energy as refrigerants. LNG, which is imported from origin, is transported by a tank lorry, remaining its temperature as -162 Celsius and used as refrigerants and fuel. LNG of -162 Celsius is maintained by a heat exchanger as 5 stages of temperature system, which are cryogenic, freezer, refrigeration, fixed temperature, room temperature. It facilitates as customized storage system of product types. As Eugene Super Freeze's technology of using LNG-based thermal energy does not use external power, like as a general refrigerator system, electricity consumption expense per usage can be reduced. And LNG-based thermal energy that used to be abandoned can also be utilized. Using LNG-based thermal energy technology maintains a fixed temperature for 24 hours. Natural gas, whose temperature has been increased after using refrigerants, is reproduced as electricity by fuel cells to Korea Electric Power Corporation. Eugene Super Freeze's center is the largest complex logistics center in Seoul metropolitan area, has tall processing facilities of 5,600 meters squared, each in 3 zones. Each zone provides one-stop service system, storage, processing, shipment. In addition, the complex logistics warehouse is available of storing not only the products like fresh product, frozen product, and groceries, but also the things like electronics, medicine, and medical supplies, construction materials, food and beverage are available. Here's the strong points of Eugene Super Freeze's complex logistics center. First, in this center, it is possible to increase the freshness and expiration date of groceries. Second, the center maintains a constant temperature for 24 hours. Third, electricity consumption is saved up to 70% compared to electronic refrigerator. Fourth, after using cryogenic energy, natural gas is dispersed, which is available for use at different power productions. Also, our center provides IT service, which allows the shippers to directly check the stored items and distribute them. Eugene Super Freeze has signed a contract for refrigeration technology with Tokyo Gas Engineering, gas technology with Korea Electric Power Corporation, and reliquefaction technology with Cryostar in France. Stabilized management is practicable in security for companies that have the world's best technology. Eugene Super Freeze is implementing innovative technology to solve environmental problems and energy reduction. Eugene Super Freeze's high-tech complex logistics center will test run after completion in October 2018. Starting from Pyeongtaek, domestic basement will be built in Incheon, Samcheok, Jeju, etc. With LNG cryogenic system, Eugene Super Freeze has superior technical skills such as 3 domestic patents, an international patent, and an international high-tech product certification. With leading-edge technology, stability, and vision, Eugene Super Freeze will lead the distribution industry to a front runner of domestic complex logistics warehouse. Eugene Super Freeze will be the best complex logistics center, taking responsibility for storage, toll processing, and distribution.